Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to test to see if your touchscreen is working properly on your Nintendo Switch. So there is an easy setting to see if this is working. So if you're tapping around the screen and you don't really know if it's working, let's go to System Settings right here. Scroll on down. Go to Controllers and Sensors, go to the right. Now there's an option under here that you could go ahead and try. That is increasing the touchscreen sensitivity. You could try just moving this to stylus. Maybe that will work for you. But we can go to Test Input Devices. Then go to Test Touchscreen. Check if the touchscreen works properly. Okay. Then you can start touching around the screen and you should see it replicated on your screen. So you touch on the screen and then you'll see if that area works or not. So you can't do this on the TV mode. Obviously, you do need this away from the TV in the handheld mode. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixTech.